Guys, first of all, take a look at this channel, right? Now this channel has 137K subscribers and around 156 videos uploaded. And guys, the interesting thing is that this channel was created not very long ago, yet it is already gaining millions of views and making thousands of dollars. And don't worry, I will also show you the earning proof. Now let's talk about the type of videos this channel uploads. Most of the videos are about boxing, football, gym training, jumping, and different sports challenges, but the interesting part is that all these videos are made in a simple 2D animated cartoon style. You can already see some examples on your screen. Look at these videos. They look super clean, attractive, and very engaging. And guys, this channel is making a lot of money from these videos, literally thousands of dollars. If we check this channel on Spatialblade, you can clearly see the estimated earnings this channel is making between $6K to $105,000 per month. And if we talk about the yearly estimate, it can make between $5K to $837,000 per year. Now look at the recent statistics. In the last 30 days, this channel gained 12,000 subscribers, and in the same 30 days, it received around 26 million views. Just imagine how much money these views can generate. Now guys, the video you are watching on the screen, right?
But completely different mindset, and mindset changes everything. One athlete walks in with confidence. Head up, eyes focused. He believes in every move he makes. The other athlete doubts himself. Every step feels heavier. Every challenge feels bigger. In sports, hesitation slows you down. Confidence pushes you forward. It gives power to your punches, speed to your legs, and focus to your mind. The real difference between athletes is not height, not muscles, not talent. The real difference.
Now, I actually created it using free AI tools. Yes, completely free tools. So let's start the process. First of all, I have prepared a master prompt for you. This is an all-in-one prompt. Inside this master prompt, I gave the AI multiple tasks. For example, first, image generation prompts. Second, scene prompts. Third, consistent character design. Fourth, cinematic shots. Fifth, voiceover script. Then I added the video style instructions. After that, I included the scene structure, the character descriptions, and the type of sports scenes required. Then I added ideas for image prompts, video motion prompts, and also voiceover script ideas. The AI usually generates a 20 to 30 second voiceover, but you can easily adjust it and generate longer scripts if you want. Now what you need to do is very simple. Just copy this master prompt, then open ChatGPT, log into ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click generate. As soon as you click generate, ChatGPT will start creating everything for you. First, it gives section 1, which contains the character design. For example, character 1 will be a 6'2" tall, strong athlete. Character 2 will be a shorter athlete with a smaller build. Then ChatGPT gives you section 2, which contains 10 image prompts for different scenes. After that, it generates 10 animation prompts describing the motion for each scene. And finally, it gives you a complete cinematic voiceover script. So now 3 things are ready for us: the characters, the image prompts, and the voiceover. Next step is image generation. For this, we are going to use a powerful free AI tool called Whisk AI. This is an all-in-one free AI tool that can generate images and also help create videos. Simply open Whisk AI, then log in. First, we will create images in 9:16 ratio. After that, we can also generate images in 16:9 ratio. Now, let me show you exactly how it works. On the left side, you will see a section called Style Reference in Whisk AI. What you need to do is take 2 or 3 screenshots from the channel thumbnails. Upload those screenshots as style references. This helps the AI understand the exact animation style. After that, copy the scene, 1 image prompt, paste it into the prompt box, then click generate. And within a few seconds, your 9:16 image will be ready. Just like this. If you want, you can generate multiple images for the same scene and choose the best one. Next, copy the scene to prompt, paste it again, and generate the next image. Now you can see that the second scene image is ready. But today we are mainly creating videos in 16:9 ratio, so I will simply change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Now I paste the same character description, then I paste the scene 1 prompt. Again, select 16:9 ratio and click generate. Within a few seconds, the 16:9 scene image will be ready. You can choose whichever image looks best, then repeat the same process for scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and scene 5. Basically, you will follow the same process for all 10 scenes you can generate. 9:16 images for shorts or 16:9 images for YouTube videos. And the best part about Whisk AI is that it allows unlimited free image generation. It will not stop you or show any generation limits. You can keep generating as many images as you want. And as you can see, the images are being generated very quickly and easily. Now guys, the next step is video generation. Our images are already ready, so what you need to do is very simple. First, open the first image that we generated in the 16:9 ratio. Let me tell you one important thing. This tool only generates videos in 16:9 formats, not in 9:16, so keep that in mind. Now if you look at the image, you will see an option called Animate. Simply click on Animate as soon as you click it on the right side. You will see the video generation panel here. You can generate 7 videos for free, and each video will be 8 seconds long. Now go back to ChatGPT, open section 3. Where the motion prompts are located, copy the motion scene 1 prompt, then paste it inside the animation prompt box. After that, click Generate Now. Just wait a little. It usually takes around 1 to 4 minutes, and the AI will generate a professional animated video for you. One more interesting thing about this tool is that it uses Google Veo 3 technology to generate the videos. That's why the animations look very smooth and professional. Now let's wait for the result. And as you can see, our first video is ready. Look at this. The tall character is practicing boxing while the smaller character is standing nearby and learning. The animation looks very natural and professional. Now, let's move to the second image that we generated in 16:9. Ratio, select the image, click on Animate again. Now go back to ChatGPT. Copy the scene to motion prompt, paste it into the prompt box. Then click Generate Now. The generation has started. Within a short time, the second video will be ready, and as you can see, the result looks amazing. Look at the camera zoom, character movement, and animation style. It looks very professional and cinematic. Now the second video is ready, and the same way go to the third image, select it, click Animate, then go to ChatGPT and copy the scene 3 motion prompt, paste it in the prompt box, and click Generate. Sometimes the AI may reject the prompt or fail to generate the video. If that happens, just adjust the prompt slightly and try again, but most of the time it works perfectly. As you can see on the screen, our third video is also ready, and the animation looks very smooth, beautiful, and professional. This is all generated using Google Veo 3 AI technology. Now you just need to download the videos. Repeat the same process for scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, and all the way to scene 10. Try to make sure that your final video length is around 3 to 4 minutes, because you should upload long form videos, not only shorts. Long videos usually have better monetization potential, and you can earn more money compared to shorts. So once all the videos are generated, simply download them to your system. Now the next step is voiceover generation. Go back to ChatGPT if you want. You can also ask ChatGPT to create a 1 to 2 minute voiceover script instead of a short one. Just tell it to extend the script. Now, copy the voiceover script. The tool we will use for voice generation is a free text tool. This tool provides 10,000 free characters for each Gmail account, so simply open the text-to-speech tool. I will provide the link in the description. Now paste the script into the text box, then select the voice. I recommend selecting the Brian voice because it sounds very natural and professional. Now click Generate. The generation will start. After a few seconds, you will see a Go to History option on the right side. Click on it, open your generated file, and simply download the voiceover audio. Now everything is ready. Our images are ready. Our videos are ready. Our voiceover is ready. The final step is editing. For editing today, we will use CapCut. In the previous video we used Filmora, but today we will use CapCut. First, import all the video clips and the voiceover audio into CapCut. Add the voiceover to the timeline first. My voiceover is around 40 seconds, but my video clips are longer, so first I place all video clips on the timeline. Then I adjust the clips according to the voiceover timing. Make sure the video does not exceed the voiceover length too much. After that, add some transitions, such as black fade. You can also add video effects if you want. Once everything looks good, simply export the video in 4K resolution, and that's it. Today we created an amazing AI animated video using completely free AI tools. Now what you need to do is create a YouTube channel like the one I showed earlier. Start uploading videos like this consistently. Upload long videos. Within 1 or 2 months, your channel can start growing. But one important thing is SEO. You must properly set YouTube SEO settings. And if I see 10 comments saying SEO under this video, I will make a complete video explaining YouTube SEO settings. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Asterisk.